And look, boom, 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 boom. Who gave this skirt the right to look so cute? If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Milan. If you don't know me, hello and welcome to this space. Today we are going to be, or I am going to be trying on all my skirts in my closet. You asked me why. Basically, I saw this TikTok that was like,
Ayo, skirt check.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Skirt check, 1, 2, 3. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do that because why not? And while I film and put on all these skirts, why not make a YouTube video, you know, get the bang for your buck, you know what I'm saying? Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Really guys, every thumbs up really matters and helps my video, you know, maybe get on the trending page. So support your girl because it's free. Can you focus? Can you focus, sir? Thank you. So me and my sister have been watching Game of Thrones, binge watching, and I already saw the whole show and I'm rewatching with my sister because I love it so much. Comment below if you're a Game of Thrones fan like moi. So that's why my accent keeps switching because life is short. Why have one accent, you know what I'm saying? No. Alright then. Without further ado, let's just go get on with it then. This is just a white bed sheet. If you can see a little wallpaper behind me, just ignore that, okay? Alright, so we're just gonna pretend this is all one background, okay? There's no door here, it's just one screen, okay? Let's pretend, okay? Great job, you guys are the best. My first skirt here from Pretty Little Thing. First up, we got a skirt from Pretty Little Thing. We don't really stand them because of my last video. Go check it out, link in bio. But it's a cute skirt, but I don't really stand for Pretty Little Thing. But yeah. Oh my god, how embarrassing. Can this tag go back in? I don't know where my scissors are. Booty, bounce that biggity, bounce that biggity. Oh. Can't twerk. I can't really twerk, so don't make fun of me. Cute little silk skirt. Okay, that's enough. This is one of my favorite skirts ever. Whew, whew, feeling like a whole Scottish. Oh. But like I was saying, I'm feeling like a whole Scottish bagpipe player. Oh, I don't know what kind of fighter I am now, but you know, dee-dee-dee-dee, that bagpipe, baby. Look at it. It's so cute. It has a little button over here. Y'all, wait for it. I thrifted this and guess how many dollars it was? I'll wait. All right, you done? You done guessing? Comment below. $2. I bet you didn't guess that. $2 and it was brand new. Oh my god, look. And it goes, I'm gonna do my hoppity hop again. Woo! It goes all the way to pretty much my ankles and it's so cute and conservative. So I could wear this to work. But look at that. It's like fits perfect around my waist. Who gave this skirt the right to look so cute? Tell me, just tell me. And you know, it opens here, so if you need a little ventilation, the skirt's got you covered, son. I don't even know if this outfit matches, but fuck it, like this is so cute. Do you see this little split? And it ties in a cute little bow over here. I just feel like an island princess. Like I'm supposed to be like stranded on the island. Oh, did I flash anyone? Awkward. Let me do that again. Oh, Barbie and the Island Princess. Did anyone watch that movie? But I feel like I'm supposed to be an island princess. And look, boom, 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 boom. I can move in this. Bounce a biggity bounce. Okay. Let me stop. But yeah, this one, I'm definitely feeling the skirt. And y'all, $7 at H&M clearance rack. Was it a steal or bounce a biggity, bounce a biggity. Oh. Was this a steal or nah? Oh, I think yes. Look at it. Look at the detail. Makes me feel so cute. Wow, who is she? I can't belly dance. I wish I did, but your girl just can't. Oh, all right. She back with the cute little skirt this time. Let me show you the print. It's so cute. Are you gonna focus? Nice, cute checkered print. Oh, look at this little short one. I don't usually like really short mini skirts that go up to like right here, because when I sit down, you know, my butt is not the one sitting down, if you know what I mean. This is probably about as short as I'll go for skirt wise, but look how cute it is. I kind of feel like a teacher, or should I say a school girl. I'm ready, professor, to take some notes. All right, never mind. This is going the wrong direction. Here is another skirt that looks exactly like the skirt you just saw, but it's a little different. Let me show you. See, it's a little different. Similar, but not exactly. Look at this, cute. I'm over it. I don't really wear this skirt that much. I think I got it from like Forever 21, but I probably should wear it more. And you would think a little teeny piece of clothing like this I wear more in the summertime, but no, I actually wear it in the wintertime more with some stockings and what are they called? Thigh-high boots. Oh, this outfit is so cute. I love wearing short skirts with thigh-high boots, and that's what I usually wear. So, winter, here I come, bitch. Next up, we've got this little skirt number. So I usually wear this to work, not this outfit obviously, but this skirt. It's like a cute professional skirt. Look at that. It does, you know, make the booty look. I love this cute little knot detail going, and it's such a nice suede material from Fashion Nova vibes. Even though I work in like a semi-corporate environment, this skirt makes me feel like it's not too bad to be in a professional world. You know, it's like professional, but you can spice it up a little, you know. Oh snap, where's the paperwork? Let me go. Okay, I don't know why it turned into James Bond. All right, she changed her shirt. Okay, I don't know if you can see, it's pretty much the same skirt, but in a maroon. So the next couple skirts may kind of be professional wear, you know. I know this doesn't look too professional. Usually it's a button down tucked in my skirt, but you know what? I'm not at work right now, so bounce up, biggity, bounce up, biggity. I need to relax, all right. But yeah, it looks super cute. This color is so beautiful. It's not even showing up, but look at that knot. Look at that knot detail. Like, wow, look at that. Oops. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, here we go. This is the next skirt. It's like, it's a little bit rouged. It's a little bit of lines on there. Like literally, oh, it goes all the way, oh, all the way. I'm like out of breath. To my calves. This one's a little bit thinner than the other ones. This one's from Forever 21. Hunting, the brown, the cream with the brown. This is a vibe, a nude vibe. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bounce up, biggity, bounce up, biggity. Oh. Bounce up, biggity, bounce up, biggity. Am I gonna do this for every skirt? I just might. We got another plain black, but I love this one because definitely, you know, as you can see, hugs. Look how poppin' I look. And honestly, little black dress, I get that, but every girl needs a little black skirt. This one's pretty much the same as the last one, except in black. I look at skirts like this, and then I'm reminded of why I do have a shopping problem. Because look, where the fuck am I gonna wear this? Let me show you. Can you see it? I don't want to change the camera position, so you see that? You see that? Where am I going to wear this skirt to? Please tell me. Tell me, comment below where I can wear this skirt so I don't feel like a shopaholic, okay? Tell me. But it is kind of cute. You see? When I twirl. Okay, I'm getting a little dizzy. It is a little pretty, but useless, completely useless. There's no point in being pretty if you have no brains. I am selling this. If you guys were interested, I do have an account called Milan's Closet. Shameless plug, where I'll be uploading all these things too, so make sure to go follow that Instagram account. If you made it to this part of the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's move on, bitch. If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. See, I got all the money in the world. If I was a rich girl. So we have this skirt. It's an oldie but a goodie. I feel like I don't usually wear this anywhere. The pattern, I feel like it's so old school. Like, look at that pattern. Oh yeah. Early 2000s. No, it has a mid 2000s look. But you know, I still look good in it. So I just don't have the heart to throw it away. It's a little stretchy. It's a little thick. And it's so nice and velvety that I really do like it. Ooh. So I have an aunt and she's a nun. And her nun outfit looks pretty much like this, except covered up over here and connected over here. But it's just, this one, look, it's like all the way literally to the floor, and this color especially just reminds me of that. And when I ordered it, I just didn't expect it to be so long. So I'm not a fan of this one. I am selling this one on my Instagram page. I'm shameless plug. But the back, it came in a set. This top is cute, but this skirt, it's just not for me. And I'm pretty short, so this one just makes me look even shorter. So I think this is more for a tall gal, and it could be like a really cute midi skirt or whatever. But yeah, this one I'm just not feeling. This one's just bleh. This skirt is literally so fluffy. Let me show you a little up close and personal, like a little blanket. Look how cute it is. I feel like I'm in a Mean Girls video, you know, like, out my way, bitch. This is my hallway. I wasn't a mean girl, so I don't know. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this random ass video, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Comment below what you want to see from me next. You know I'll deliver. Give this video a thumbs up so I know what you like, okay? And if you don't like it, honestly dislike it, and comment what you want to see different. So give me some feedback, you know what I mean? But that's you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.